Alright, let's do this. Good morning, YouTube. Let's do missing Char. Or Car. How do you guys pronounce it? Is it Char? Char? Or Car because it's a character? That's what it's short for. Anyways, given a non-empty string and an int n. Okay, so non-empty string, right? Like kitten. And an int n. Return a new string where the char at index n has been removed. Oh my god. So if you look at kitten, right? And this is very important in computer science, we always start with the number 0. We don't start with 1. If you ask me what the first letter of the word kitten is, a computer scientist will say the first letter is I. If you ask a normal person, they'll probably say K, right? K is the first letter of kitten. But a computer scientist will always say I, because the 0th letter is K. So just remember that. 0 and 1. So this 1 is referring to the letter I being removed. T is the second letter. The second T is the third letter. E is the fourth letter. And N is the fifth letter. But kitten has 6 letters, right? So how do we end with 5? Because we started with 0. 0 to 5 makes 6 letters. If we remove the first letter, we're removing the second element, the first index. Okay, I hope you guys got that. So 0 would remove the first. So that should just be hidden. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will remove the E. Right? How do we do this? If y'all haven't visited list splicing, please go ahead and revisit that. That was the last video. So do go ahead and watch that video. But I'm going to implement it right here. So first, we want to return a string at the end of the day without the nth index. So we can say string, right? And we can say we want it till n. And the cool part is n is actually excluded. So let's say n was 1. Then it would only grab the 0th letter. So if we had something like kitten and 1, right? Then string of 1 is just k. Right? We're doing inclusive of 0 but exclusive of 1. So just 0 to 0. And string 0 is k. Next, we want string n plus 1 all the way to the end, right? By default, this empty space that you're leaving here just means to the end, right? So if you do n plus 1, you're including the second index, the third element, and all the way to the end. If we just did n, right, that would actually include the index we want to be removed. Alright? And that should do it. That is a perfect solution.